We do a lot of stuff for Coke, Pepsi, Dr. Pepper.
Today we are hosting students from J.L. Mann High School.
We set 5 of those up inside the mill and let them run.
They are coming in to learn a little bit about what we do. We're going to show them what manufacturing looks like and how they can kind of assemble these machines from start to finish. So they're going to get a very hands-on experience today.
There's an order for 394 of these.
I think it was cool to see, even see the connections that they tried to draw out with mechanical and electrical and control structures. And so all of these things that they consider separate careers, but then seeing how they work together in the real world together.
And as the product comes to it, it'll wrap the box around it.
So far I've only learned this stuff in a classroom, online, making 3D models. So it's not the same as actually looking at the things that people make. So it does give you a feel of the real world and how it works.
If you thought all the designing and stuff was really cool, it might interest you in maybe trying an internship here, which could lead to a career.
If you've been in a grocery store in the last 20 years, I 100% guarantee you've ran across their product.
But once they kind of look at something and they want to learn more about how it works, it helps those wheels start spinning. So then hopefully it can kind of give them insight in what they might want to pursue as a career.